What's that, Adam?
So this advert here in front of us is an advert for Kubota Care. This is an option that is available to all customers buying a new Kubota machine through ourselves, whether that be a lawnmower, an RTV or a full spec agri tractor. I suppose what is the strengths and advantages of doing this over your traditional 2-year standard warranty that comes with the machine? Your 5-year warranty, it is what it says in the tin. It's a 5-year guarantee of your machine, regardless of what happens within them 5 years. It's not one of these third-party warranties that you see advertised with some spots. This is Kubota's own warranty on their own machines, and it covers parts and labour for the full 5 years. Now, there will be hour limits on that, so you can purchase this warranty along with your machine based on an hour count as well. So it'll be 5 years or 500 hours, let's say for argument's sake, on your domestic GR 1600 and 2120. But when you get into the commercial machines, there'll be an option there from the standard maybe 5 years or 1000 hours. There'll be an option for 5 years, 1500 hours, or 5 years, 2000 hours. Basically all designed around what sort of usage you're using your machine for. And look, at anyone that's in the commercial trade will have an idea what hours they're doing, so you can basically specify your warranty based on that. But why do it, I suppose, is the question you're asking us there, Neil. The reason to do it is your machine is guaranteed for 5 years. In terms of a resale point of view, that machine coming back to ourselves, let's say in the full term, the 5 years, we know it's been maintained by ourselves. Obviously that would be a term with the warranty. It would have to be serviced through the dealership, through a Kubota, authorised Kubota dealer, ourselves. But we know that machine has come in, it's got its services at the right time. Your machine's worth more because of that. The trade-in value is worth more. If you take, for argument's sake, you only wanted to keep the machine 2 years, but you had taken out the 5-year term, that actually can be sold on to the next customer, which allows us again to have an extra point and an extra bit of value in your trade-in as well, because the next customer can avail of the rest of that term, and there is a value to that. And I suppose from your own point of view, you're covered for 5 years, especially the guys with the G series, commercial machines, tractors, whatever. You know, it's a nice comfort to know over 5 years, if something goes wrong, we're here to help, we're here, it's covered. As you know, with Kubota equipment, it's not something you're going to have to call into question an awful lot. The reliability on their stuff is there, but should the event happen that there is an issue, you have a guarantee there, and it's a peace of mind, it's a backup, it's something in the back of your head saying, this machine is covered. And that's what that is. I suppose to get a quote on it there, just contact ourselves. We'll give you a price, including your 5-year warranty, and you have 5 years of trouble-free and hassle-free usage of the machines.